My name is Chris Williford. I'm president of SPC Mechanical. We've been in business since 1965 as a mechanical contractor, located here in Wilson, North Carolina, with offices in Wilson, Winston-Salem, and Charlotte. We came to the realization after many years of fabricating our own duct work that in order to be as efficient as we needed to be fabricating much more poundage than we were turning out for ourselves. We also knew that in a very short term we were going to have to make a significant investment in new fabrication equipment. Couple those with the fact that we were having trouble maintaining a constant workflow of product through our facility. All of those factors told us that it was time to look at other opportunities or other means to source our ductwork. Over the course of the last 5 years, Ken Brown and the team at MKT began to call us and wanted to fabricate ductwork for us. And as we began to analyze what they could offer both in production and quality and on-time delivery, we realized that they could probably do a better job of providing our ductwork for us than we could ourselves. Since MKT has begun to fabricate some of our projects for us, we have been able to concentrate on our core business, which is installations. Along with that, they have also allowed us to much better control our costs, our fabrication costs, as well as we are confident that we're getting a quality product from MKT. Having MKT provide our ductwork has allowed us to lock in the pricing for our ductwork, which allows us to be more profitable than we were in the past. Many times in the past, as when we fabricated our own sheet metal, we were not able to control our costs as well as we can now when we buy the product directly from MKT.